Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly felt more relaxed or energized without knowing why, or felt drawn to a product just because of its color? That's no accident. That's color psychology in action. Colors have the power to shape how we feel, think, and act, without us even realizing it. In this video, we'll explore how each color affects the brain, how businesses use this knowledge to influence us, and how you can use it in your own life. What is color psychology? Color psychology is the study of how colors affect human emotions, behavior, and perceptions. It's widely used in marketing, interior design, fashion, therapy, and even in hospital planning. While culture and context can influence color meaning, many emotional responses to color are universal due to biology and evolution. Red energy, urgency, and passion. Red is a high-energy color. It increases heart rate, raises blood pressure, and stimulates appetite and urgency. That's why fast food brands use it. In fashion, red can signal power and passion. Too much red, though, can cause stress or aggression. Use red when you want to grab attention, like in a sale sign, a bold outfit, or a call to action button online. Blue, calm, trust, and productivity. Blue is the color of trust and peace. It slows down the heartbeat and creates a sense of calm. Banks and tech companies like PayPal and Facebook use blue to build trust. In homes or offices, blue walls can promote focus and productivity. In fashion, blue is seen as reliable and stable. Use blue when you want to reduce stress or appear dependable. Yellow, optimism and creativity. Yellow is bright, happy, and stimulating. It's linked to creativity and optimism. Yellow can lift moods in small doses, but too much can trigger anxiety or frustration. Use yellow in small spaces like a creative corner or in design elements you want to pop. Green, balance and growth. Green represents nature, health, and renewal. It's a calming color that also symbolizes balance and growth. Hospitals often use green to promote healing. Brands in the health or eco industry, like Whole Foods, use it to signal freshness and sustainability. Use green in spaces where you want peace, like bedrooms or meditation rooms. Purple, creativity and luxury. Historically linked to royalty, purple is a color of luxury, imagination, and spiritual awareness. Brands like Hallmark and Cadbury use purple to express elegance and creativity. It stimulates problem-solving and artistic thinking. Choose purple in creative studios, personal journals, or branding that wants to stand out with a premium feel. Black, white, and neutrals, power and simplicity. Neutrals aren't too boring, they're powerful in the right context. Black can signify sophistication or authority. Think of luxury fashion brand like Chanel. White represents cleanliness, simplicity, and space. It's often used in hospitals and minimalist designs. Gray and beige create calm, neutral backgrounds that don't distract. Use neutrals to balance stronger colors or create a clean, professional look. How to use colors in real life. So how can you apply all this? Interior design. Want a calming bedroom? Go for soft blues and greens. Need energy in your workout space? Try touches of red or orange. Fashion. Wear blue to a job interview to show trustworthiness. Red on a date to spark attraction. Branding and design. Use colors that reflect your message. Green for health, black for luxury, orange for excitement. Colors are more than decoration, they're a powerful language that speaks to our emotions. Next time you pick a paint color, an outfit, or a brand logo, ask yourself, what am I really saying? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more psychology content, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite color and why?